This video will teach you how to use this partial ranking saw and this betula to make a slide slippers. So we all know that betula is one of the most expensive open palms around the world. It's highly, used by all genders. In every part of the world, betula is one of the shoes that is widely accepted. And this video will teach you how to make a betula shoe for yourself, for your use, for sales, for households use, and you know, for also profits. So the most easiest betula to make is the cross betula palms, of which I want to teach you today. So when you have your betula and the outer sole, now we are going to gauge this. So we use the gauge, which is the welt, rub the gum, trace the betula on the partial ranking sole, this other sole. Alright, the combination of the betula and this other sole will give your shoe a longer durability, up to 5 years of use. Alright, so once you rub your gum, allow for drying, then you use the black welt or the gauge to round the betula sole. Alright, so this is what we have. Then use your hammer to apply pressure for good adhesiveness. Okay, round it carefully. Please subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, ask your questions. Alright, give me a like. This is ABC shoes. Now after you trim the excesses, you go for filing. This is the filing machine. You keep filing until you have a clean finishing of your outer sole. If you love this video, copy the link of this video and share to other people on your social media platforms. I'm trying to create the top pattern. So if you want to know what centimeter I used here, ask the question. Just type Y or what. You can just say how many centimeter. I'll reply you. I'll give you the hints. Okay, so from there you go to your padding material. This is a padding material. Remember, the padding material is different from the main material. Okay, so you trace 4, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, then we are going to join it with the padding material now. Cut it out outside the line. There's a reason why I cut outside the line, so you can just say why in the comment section. I'll reply you. So you tag them together, both the padding material and the main material. Okay, remember we're using suede material here. This is me placing it. After placing, you apply pressure, then you cut. Now you're cutting on the line. Carefully cut on the line, straight cutting. Cutting. Now we go for stitching. Stitch carefully. Go for molding or lasting. We're lasting. This is the lasting material. The shoe mold, the insole, which is the betula sole, Berkinstoke sole. What do you call this sole in your locality, and how much do you buy a pair of the sole in your locality? Please tell me using the comment section. So you tag. Then you tag also. Remember, there's a reason why I tagged down part of the soul. So you ask questions, tell me why. I'll tell you. Thank you for watching. Bye.